I've got another activity for you. So for this one, you're going to need some household objects such as hats or a coat with a hood. You can use a scarf, and you're going to need a banister on your stairs or a doorknob. And then what the aim of this challenge is, you get 10 goes, so 10 throws, and you have to get as many throws on the banister as you can, okay? So you get 10 throws, so here's some examples. So I got that one, that's 1 out of 10, but I missed that one before, so that's one of my goes. Now, use the coat. You can use any objects you like, as long as you can get them on the banister. That one's on, so that's 1 as well. So you have 10 goes at that, use any objects you like, and good luck, guys.